Edition of the Law and You, we have a question about working under the table and then something goes awry. Joining us are guys that never go wrong, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, nice to have you today for the Law and You.
We almost swam over here today with this weather.
Yeah, you never know. You get some wild weather here in January, and we've certainly got it today. And a pretty interesting question. My boyfriend was working under the table for a contractor on a roofing job. He fell off the roof and has significant injuries. Is there anything he can do? This is from Chuck in New Angola.
Well, there is, Chuck, there is many things you can do. Even in a situation like this, just because you were under the table doesn't necessarily mean that you're precluded from being able to sue the general contractor on the job. There's a number of very technical legal requirements for you to do that. We actually have a case like this going on in our office right now. It's actually going to trial next month. But there are definitely things you could do. I would highly recommend you pick up the phone, you call somebody that has experience in this area, because if you can't get into those specific requirements, you're not going to be able to do anything.
And what the requirements he's talking about, there's really two or three things going on here. One, it could be a potential workers' compensation claim against the general contractor. If he doesn't have insurance, because even though you're working under the table, it doesn't matter. You could still move a claim against him. If he doesn't have insurance, you could file an uninsured claim, which is covered by the state. And then the third and final thing is you could file a general liability suit against the general contractor for not having adequate safety on the job. Pretty simple, but it is complicated.
So pretty interesting. You're still protected even though you're working under the table. Now, for our viewers that may find themselves in a situation where they get injured on the job and they need your help, how can they reach you?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. If you have any questions regarding employment status or anything of that nature, post it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks. We'll do it all again tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
Thanks.
Don't forget, you can get your question here on the Law and You by visiting PAHomepage.com or giving us a call on the hotline.